So you want to make money while you sleep? Who wouldn't? The internet is flooded with people promising it's not only possible, but easy. They flash their cars, houses, and vacations, selling you their secret formula. I fell for it. I poured my time and money into these so-called passive streams, following every guru's advice. But the money didn't come. Instead, I was more stressed and broke, chained to my laptop 24/7. The only one getting rich was the person selling the dream. That's why I'm making this video, not to sell you a fantasy, but to give you the reality check I wish I'd had. We're going to rip apart the passive income myth and expose the ugly truths they never mention. And then, we'll talk about what it really takes to build sustainable income streams. Let's get into it. First, let's redefine passive. The gurus want you to think it means zero effort, money rolling in while you relax. That's a fantasy. In reality, passive means front-loaded work. You build an asset, like a house, a book, or a YouTube channel, through months or years of effort. Only then can it generate income without your constant input. Every real passive income stream demands a huge investment of time, money, or both. Writing a book, building a channel, or investing in stocks all require serious work up front. The work is just separated from the payout. So, passive income is really leveraged income. You're using past work to create future cash flow. If you think passive means no work, you'll quit the second it gets hard. From now on, think front-loaded effort, future reward. The biggest lie? That it's easy. 3 simple steps. No experience needed. You've heard it all. Building passive income is some of the hardest, loneliest work you'll ever do. Take dropshipping gurus show you dashboards, not the endless hours of research, failed products, or angry customers. It's a grind, not a shortcut. For every success, there are thousands of failures you never see. The easy part is just a marketing gimmick. Real success takes grit, resilience, and relentless effort. The promise of fast wealth is the bait. Gurus show you their big payouts but hide the years of work behind them. They sell you the result, not the process. Because the process is slow and unglamorous. Real wealth from passive streams grows like a glacier, not a volcano. Your first earnings will be tiny. Growth is painfully slow. Anyone promising quick riches is selling you hope, not a system. The only one getting rich quick is the guru. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. So you've built your system, now it runs itself forever, right? Wrong. The set it and forget it myth ignores reality. Everything needs maintenance. Digital platforms change, trends shift, and assets become outdated. Whether it's a book, a YouTube channel, or a rental property, you have to adapt and manage. Passive income isn't no work. It's different work: oversight, strategy, and updates. If you neglect your streams, they'll dry up. The dream isn't to never work again, but to have work that's manageable and meaningful. Set it, manage it, adapt it. Quit your job in 90 days. That's reckless advice. Most passive income streams start, and often stay, as side hustles. An extra $500 a month can be life-changing, but replacing a full salary is a huge leap. Don't fall for the all-or-nothing narrative. The real goal can be more security, options, or funding a passion, not just quitting your job. Build slowly, let your streams grow, and only consider leaving your job when your side income is stable and consistent. Don't jump off a cliff because a guru told you to. Now, the nightmares you never see in guru videos. People risk their savings, go into debt, and gamble on dreams that rarely pay off. The mental toll is real. Isolation, anxiety, and self-doubt are common. You compare your messy reality to their highlight reels and feel like a failure. There are hidden headaches, taxes, legal issues, customer complaints. Your passive stream is a business, with all the stress and complexity that brings. Gurus skip these details because they're scary, and scary doesn't sell. Know what you're really signing up for. So, what's the real path? It starts with ditching shortcuts and building real skills. Marketing, sales, content creation. These skills are your true assets, no matter what happens to your side hustle. Start small, stay patient, and use your job to fund low-risk experiments. Celebrate your first dollar, then your first 10, then your first 100. Build a foundation, brick by brick. Redefine your goal. Maybe it's not passive income, but scalable or meaningful income. Focus on creating value for others, not just making money with the least effort. When you become a creator and problem solver, the money often follows. Build something you're proud of. That's the real path to sustainable success. Here's my challenge. For the next 30 days, ignore the get-rich-quick gurus. Unsubscribe, unfollow, and detox from the hype. Instead, create one small thing. A blog post, a video, a piece of art, anything. It doesn't have to be perfect or profitable. The goal is to take one step as a creator, not just a consumer. Share it, even if only a few people see it. You'll shift from buying dreams to building them. This is how it really starts, with a small act of creation. Are you in? Let me know in the comments. The real truth? The passive part is the most misleading. The dream of money while you sleep distracts from the work, skill, and grit required. The real goal isn't to stop working, but to build meaningful, scalable work that gives you freedom. It's about having control over your time and your life. The freedom to choose how you spend your days, to be present for what matters. It's not about escaping work, but making work serve you. Forget the fantasy. Focus on building a life you love while you're awake. That's the truth worth working for. If you made it this far, you're serious, and I respect that. But watching isn't enough. I want you to act. In the comments, write "I'm a creator" and share what you'll build in the next 30 days. I'll read them all, and maybe even invest in the best idea. This is about action, not just dreams. Stop consuming, start creating. This is your starting line. Don't wait, take the first step now. I believe in you. Go prove me right.